The CPU underfill removal heating platform is efficient and easy to use. Connect it with a Type-C cable to power on. Set the temperature to around 230 degrees Celsius. Place the CPU on the heating platform and preheat for about 30 seconds. Then, use a brush to easily remove the glue and solder from the chip. It takes another 30 seconds to thoroughly clean off the underfill.